You're not gonna see much of me in this video because I'm gonna be trying to figure it out. So we'll start by taking these off right here. Alrighty, now we got this removed. So now let's go ahead and take this hardware off because we won't be needing that. We're gonna put our hardware we had previously on there. Yeah, so this is a fix where it's cheaper than what Harley charging for it. I think Harley's charging $100 for this relocation hardware. All right, so that comes out nice and easy. Now this is my hardware from before. Let me just figure out. Does go back in there nice and easy. Now we're using the same, from what I understand, we're using the same screws to go back in here. All right, so we're back. We got both sides remounted, relocated, and let's see how the sissy bar fits on there. Now let me see if I remember how she goes on. Let's see. Did it work? Is it in there?
I think so.
Yes, sir.
This spot right here, you want to put that right there. And you got it locked in right there. Same thing on this side.
No? All right. Now we'll see what the bags look like if the bags fit. Now we're gonna see how we get the bag in there right without hitting. If it's like when I seen the video, then I got it right. Screw these down real quick. Yeah! Yeah! All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. RDKWay Mike, I'm out.